Excuse me. Welcome to South Asia. This is J. Reddy, your facilitator for South Asia in Maps, where we bring the deeper knowledge of South Asian culture, geography, history, heritage in the form of icons, images, and pictures. Please consider subscribing, encouraging our channel. We are still continuing our fascinating journey in the land of five orbs, Panchnad, Panchnadis, which are five tributaries or major tributaries of Sindhu River or Indus River. As a part of Punjab geography and covering the rivers, we will cover all the rivers and all the doves, each in a separate presentation, so that you will have a broader, deeper idea rather than just giving 1 or 2 minutes for each river. So now you will know the source of the river, the mouth of the river, the historical importance of the river, what are the political boundaries like districts or divisions the rivers separate. Those aspects we cover in depth. So after this presentation, you will have a very good understanding of Satluj River. We'll covering of the Satluj River, Sipkila Pass and Baspa River, Spiti River, its tributary Bias River, Harikepattan, Hussainwala, Firozpur, Kasur, Fazilka, Sulaimanki, Pakpattan, Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur and Lodran and Bahawalpur and Uch Sharif and Alipur and Panchnad and all those things. You will get a clear idea and you will have a broader context, historical, geographical context, bird's eye view of Punjab after completing this presentation. The rivers of Punjab, we talk about Satluj River. Satluj is a mighty river, very fascinating river. The river length is around about 1450 kilometers. It is the second, or I don't remember the third, I think it's the second largest river in the river systems of Indus after Indus. I think it's much larger than Chenab. I don't remember the length, we can look at later. And it is 1450 kilometers, rises in the Mansarovar region. There is here Kailas mountains in the Tibetan plateau. There is a glacier and the lake region Manas Sarovar, that is the source for Brahmaputra river that flows in the east and Satluj river that flows in the west and Sindhu river, Indus river that flows to the north. That's the where the three mighty rivers of Asia originate in the Tibetan region. Now it is occupied by the People's Republic of China. Historically, Tibet was an independent country even during the British Raj time, East India Company time, a buffer state between the mainland China and Bharat in the upland regions of Tibetan plateau. The river starts in Manas Sarovar and it enters the Himachal Pradesh region at a pass known as the Sipkila Pass. This is the Sipkila Pass region in Himachal Pradesh, Shipkila. After entering the Shipkila Pass, in the southern part, a tributary joins that is called Baspa River. Baspa River, that area is also called Baspa Valley. Baspa Valley. In the northern, this the Baspa Valley somewhere here. The northern part, it gets a river called Spiti River. Spiti Valley, Spiti River, Baspa Valley. The river continues west and hits a town called Rampur. That entire area is called Rampur Valley. You see Baspa Valley, Spiti Valley and Rampur Valley. After Rampur Valley, it goes through a town called Tattapani and continued. That is the historic princely state of Mahasu, or also called Suket. That's the region bordering between the Mandi district in the north and the hilly Simla district in the south. The river continues its journey from the Sipkila Pass and Baspa Valley and Spiti River and Rampur Valley, Mahasu Valley or Shuket Valley continues its journey. The context here is we are in the Simla will be somewhere here. The Simla capital city as well as the district. Sutlej River continues and hits the Bilaspur princely state. In Bilaspur, it is dammed at the Sivalik mountain range, Bakra Dam and later Nangal Dam. The river skids the Sivalik mountains and again goes through Anandpur Sahib and Kiratpur and finally at Roopnagar. At Roopnagar, it enters completely into Punjab plains. It's around about 250 meters or so. The river continues, Anandpur, Kiratpur, Roopur, continues in the Ludhiana here, the Ludhiana on the south and Philaur. The Philaur on the north in the Jalandhar district. River continues. It comes to a town called Harike or Harike Patan. At Harike Patan, in the northern part, on the eastern side, it gathers its major tributary Bias. Bias river joins Sutlej river at Harike Patan. That is in the Amritsar or Taran Taran districts of that area. And Sutlej river continues its journey further east. At this is a Firozpur here. At Firozpur on the southern part of Sutlej river and Kasur and northern part of Sutlej river. Firozpur and Kasur and the river continues its journey along the border between East Punjab or Purbi Punjab and West Punjab, Pashchim Punjab. That is also border between India and Islamic Republic of Pakistan. That is the paradise. That is the land of believers, the fantasy land, the alienated land from Bharat, we can say. The east side is non-alienated land, still follow the native culture, civilization, respect for history. West side Islamized and their fantasy of attaching themselves to Jazirat al-Arabia, the Arabian land, the Arabian god and Arabian festivals, Arabian systems and so on. So, the river separates Pakistan from Bharat. At Fazilka, it leaves East Punjab, northern south side is Sulaimanki town in Punjab, the West Punjab. The river continues. The river forms the historic boundary between the Bahawalpur princely state. It was ruled by a Nawab at that time who was under British protection because he signed the protection treaty subsidiary alliance with the British. So that is the Bahawalpur state. Now Bahawalpur state it merged with Pakistan after partition independence. It is further bifurcated into Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur, Rahimiyar Khan. So those are the districts, and after Husseinwala in the east and Sulaimanki on the west, goes to and further continues its journey, and it joins Chenab River. Here, this is the Chenab River. Chenab River earlier also gathers the waters from Ravi and waters from Jhelum. So, the Chenab River and Sutlej River are the major rivers. Why it is like that? Why it's not that Jhelum and Chenab joining Jhelum? Because it's a bigger river, so it's a convention to consider Chenab River is a bigger river, Sutlej River is a bigger river. Sutlej River gathers the Bias River at Harike, and Chenab River, which gathers Ravi waters and Jhelum waters, this is the Chenab River, Multan area, finally joins the Sutlej River at a region called Alipur. Alipur is in the Muzaffargarh district. Northern part is Alipur, southern part is Uch Sharif. Historically, the Chenab and Sutlej was merging at Uch Sharif. Uch Sharif is a historic medieval Muslim town, and lot of Islamic structures or monuments, funerary monuments of its saints are located there. Now the river has moved little bit like that. Anyway, the Sutlej River, Chenab River join at Alipur, or we can say Uch Sharif, and forms a river called Panjnad. That means Panjnad is a river that joins Sindhu River, Indus River. So Panjnad has two tributaries. Its southern tributary is Sutlej River. Its northern tributary is Chenab River. That is Panjnad. Panjnad moves further southeast for around about 70 to 80 kilometers and joins Indus River at Kot Mithan or Mithan Kot. So Indus River gathers all the waters of main rivers of Punjab from Panjnad. These rivers directly doesn't join the Indus River. So Indus River gathers Panjnad. Panjnad, Nad means Sanskrit term for a region, location, Vatan, geography, just stan. Panjnad, a land that has 5 rivers. All the 5 rivers merged at Uch Sharif formed a short river called Panjnad River. That is its source at Alipur or its source at Uch Sharif, and its mouth is at Kot Mithan or Mithan Kot, where it joins the Sindhu River. That is in brief about the Sutlej River. What the political regions or district the Sutlej River separates, let's talk about it. Just having a broad idea of the river will not be sufficient. If you know what are the historical significance and political boundaries, how they are drawn along the river, will give you a broader idea and a deeper knowledge, depth of knowledge about the Punjab region. Some of these boundaries are not very critical, very broad we'll be talking about. So essentially, Punjab region, Sutlej River flows through Tibet region, it flows through Himachal region, and it flows to East Punjab region. It flows to the former princely state of Bahawalpur and West Punjab region. So the West Punjab, East Punjab, Himachal, Tibet, these are the historic regions or the countries or provinces that the Sutlej River flows. This is the largest river tributary of Panjnad, which is again a tributary of Indus River. The length of the river is 1450 kilometers. Southern part of the river, Sutlej, it covers Simla district here, Sirmur district here, because it's a Baspa valley. That is essentially a southern part of Bashar princely state, or it is Kinnaur district. Kinnaur district, Sirmur district or Simla district here, and Solan district here forms the boundary. Northern part of boundary is essentially a Mandi district in this region and Bilaspur district. Once that, then it historic Ropar district here and Ludhiana district here and Firozpur district here. North of Sutlej River has the Bistudop, that means it covers Nawanshah district now, historically Jalandhar district, and a princely state ruled by a Sikh Maharaja of Kapurthala. So Kapurthala district, Jalandhar district and Hoshiarpur district. Thus the districts the Sutlej River separates in this part. Sutlej, as it continued, it separates Firozpur district, the Firozpur, Moga, and Abohar, Fazilka, this region. That are across the river. It separates the historic Lahore district that now has a Lahore district, Kasur district, and Okara districts here. The Firozpur district. At Fazilka, the river enters into the princely state of Bahawalpur, former princely state of Bahawalpur. So southern part, it separates the princely state of Bahawalpur, that is Bahawal Nagar, Bahawalpur, Rahim Yar Khan. In the northern side, the Sutlej state, after it enters into West Punjab region, separates historic Shahiwal district or Montgomery district. The name was Montgomery, is a canal colony district. Historically, this is a jungle area that after canals were built, the water was diverted, fertile farmland were made. That's called Montgomery, was the name of a British governor after Lawrence and so on. So his name was given for that place, Montgomery district, called historically Shahiwal district. And now that district is divided into Pakpatan district, Shahiwal district in the north, Vehari district, and Khanewal district, Lodhran districts, and so on. But if you remember Shahiwal district and Lahore district here, and Amritsar district here, and Kapurthala and Jalandhar district here, and Bilaspur district, and Mandi district here, and part of Kinnaur district here, and Simla district, Rupnagar district, Ludhiana district, and Firozpur district, Bahawalpur state, north of this Lodhran district. That will be sufficient. You will get a broader idea. And the river Sutlej merges with the river Chenab at a place called Alipur. Alipur is here. This is a Muzaffargarh district in the Sindh Sagar Doab or Thal region. And southern part, still we are in the Bahawalpur princely state, Rahim Yar Khan. There is a place called Uch Sarif. There is a historic Muslims ruled there, colonized, lot of historic Muslim monuments reside there. The river used to flow there, that's why they urbanized that area. Now the river flows slightly in the north of Uch Sarif, south of Alipur. But when you say that where does the river Panjnad starts, we can start with Uch Sarif, or we can say it starts with Alipur. It's not very critical. Or we say the Ludhiana city where the British built their cantonment during Maharaja Ranjit Singh time is on river Sutlej, but not exactly on river Sutlej at that time. Now, of course, a lot of urbanization and the Sutlej river suburbs may, like Ludhiana town, can go up to that, and the north is Philawar town. So it's a broader idea. So you should not be too picky. Again, it depends upon what part of the time it started and how much urbanization done. Sometimes rivers move also like that. So Uch Sarif in south and Alipur in south, round about 70-80 kilometers. Panjnad river continues. It merges into Sindhu river, Indus river at Maitan Kot or Kot Mitan. After a few kilometers, it enters into Sikarpur area. That is the northern part of Sindh at a place called Kashmir or Kandkot district, now historically Jacobabad and Shikarpur regions and Sukur regions and Khairpur principality and so on. So I will show you this expanded area of Panjnad river, and you have Uch Sarif here and we have Alipur here. So we have a Chenab river coming from here, we have Sutlej river coming here. So south of this is Rahim Khan district, Uch Sarif. In the Muzaffargarh district, this is Alipur. This the Panjnad starts here in the Alipur Uch Sarif area and goes until Maitan Kot where it joins the river. Taranda, Muhammad, Pana and Uch Sarif's other towns here. So there is Panjnad river, continuation of Sutlej Chenab, the joining. So We talked about the most important fascinating river of Punjab, tributary of Indus River, Sutlej River today. Its length 1450. It origin at in the Kailash mountain region in Tibet, in the Manasarovar lake, which is also a point of origin for Brahmaputra river and also Sindhu river itself, and enters into Himachal region near Shipkila Pass, and it cuts the Janskar mountains there and gathers the Baspa rivers from the south and Spiti river in the north. And Baspa, Spiti Valley, Baspa valleys, and we covered Rampur Valley in the Rampur Valley region in the Simla area, then Mahasu and Suket regions, and it continues further Rampur town and Sioni town and Tatapani town, then enters the Bilaspur town, sits on the bank of river Sutlej. It was formerly princely state during the time of partition, and plans were there. There is a gorge there to build the dam, the river Sutlej, and Maharaja of Bilaspur gave permission. Later Bakra dam was built, further Nangal dam was built. The river continued to Anandapur. Anandapur is one of the 5 famous sects of Tapt seats, religious centers of Sikh religion. One is Nankana Sahib, other is Amritsar Sahib, and east Patna Sahib, and south and in the Nanded region, Nanded district and Godavari river in Marathwada region of the former princely state of Hyderabad and Bira, and other Taktis at Anandpur Sahib, where Guru Gobind Singh Ji initiated Khalsa Panth, a branch of Sikhism. And that is Anandpur Sahib, and continues Kiratpur. At Ropar, it falls into the Punjab plains. Here the Ropar town. At Ropar town in, I think, 1831 or 32 or so, Maharaja Ranjit Singh has a personal one-to-one meeting with the British Governor General Lord Bentinck, who was the Governor General of British East India Company, Bahadur, from 1828 to 34 or so. So in 32 or 31 or so, at Ropnagar town or Rupar town, Maharaja Ranjit Singh met Lord William Bentinck. They continued the Treaty of Amritsar, that is a perpetual friendship treaty for the perpetual. And Sutlej River is very important because it formed the boundary between southern portion, which is British territory, northern portion, which is Khalsa territory of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. In 1809, the Charles Metcalfe, the diplomat from Lord Minto, British East India Company Governor General, met Maharaja Ranjit Singh and made Treaty of Amritsar, making Sutlej River as a demarcation. Whatever the territories, district called Cis Sutlej territories or states or district, are under British protection or suzerainty, and Maharaja is free to do whatever he wants in the north of the Sutlej. So Patiala, Pulkian states, Jind state, Nabha states, and all came under British protection. Also the Muslim princely state of Bahawalpur, ruled by Nawab, also came under their protection. So the historic boundary between British East India Company and Maharaja territories is Sutlej River, very important. So after Rupnagar, Sutlej separates Phillaur in the north, in the Jalandhar Doab, and Ludhiana in the south. Of Bias River itself gathers Black Bain and White Bain and Bias River. At Harike Patan, the Bias joins Sutlej, and it continues its journey at Husainwala, and this Husainwala here and Kasur across the Sutlej River forms the boundary between East Punjab and West Punjab. That is Darul Harb, enemy's territory or Kafir's territory. Darul Islam, the Islamic territory, the land the Muslims populate. So it's a boundary also here. And it continues the journey. Eastern side we have Firozpur. Firozpur is also under British control because south of Sutlej, and there's a big cantonment they built. And in fact, during the Ranjit Singh's last few months. Ranjit Singh died in 1839 June. The tripartite alliance was made during the Auckland's time, and British gathered a large army at Firozpur cantonment. And because Maharaja's territory is a sovereign territory, it was not under British control or British protection, there is no subsidiary alliance. There is like an equal partner, bigger power and smaller power, but equal partner. So Maharaja, when he is alive, the army of British gathered at Firozpur were not allowed to go through Khalsara. So it has to go through Bahawalpur territory and the Nawabs of Sindh, Khairpur, and has to go to Jacobabad and climb the Bolan Pass and enter into Quetta, climb the Kojak Tunnel Pass and enter into Kandahar, enter into Kabul. Circuitous way it took. So that is the importance of Firozpur cantonment, Ludhiana cantonment, and Ambala cantonment. All are in the southern region, southern part of Sutlej River. And Sutlej River bifurcates the princely state. Because of Treaty of Amritsar, Ranjit Singh cannot do anything here. Ranjit Singh grabbed all the territories like Kasur area and Multan area and Attock area and Kashmir area and Derawat area and Panjas, Peshawar basin here, all because they all are on the west side of Sutlej River. So Sutlej River here separate Firozpur district and Bahawalpur state districts. And across Montgomery district, we looked at the Montgomery district, and that is Vihari and Khanewal, Shahiwal, Pakpat and Wokarana, then Lodran and Multan, and joins at Alipur, Uch Sharif, merges with Chinna, forms Panjnad and Maithankot. That is about the mighty river of Sutlej, the southernmost tributary of Panjnad, which is a tributary of Indus, and we'll continue our journey of Punjab and we'll look at other rivers later. Thank you very much for listening the presentation, and I will welcome your suggestions and compliments and criticisms as usual, and we'll see you later and in other parts of exploration of Punjab. This is J. Reddy, your facilitator at South Asia in Maps, Images and Icons.